Bailie.
It's so much easier to like
Move,
try to catch
Torre.
and knock this stuff in the yard. Bailie. Get it, Bailie!
You're taking pictures of your video.
Video call.
You have Tori's big butt in it. She's gonna be embarrassed when she puts it on MySpace.
Bailie!
Call it a hairball moment.
I don't know if it has sound on it. I haven't tried it yet. Bailie!
Come here! Brah!
No.
He's hiding, you can't see me.
Bailie!
Brah! Alright, Casey, you want to switch a little bit?
Tori's tired.
No. Go ahead.
Dog gonna cry. Alright, you want a video edit this to Christmas music, being you got the Christmas ornaments.
We're going dun 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 dun.
And that's Bailie the dog and crack.
If it's so much easier to run around the show.